Welcome to the 6A.1 note set on demonstrative adjectives. In English, you have four equivalents: this and that for singular items, and these or those for plural items. To say this or that in French, if your item is masculine and singular, you use ce. If your item is feminine and singular, you use cette. If your item is masculine singular and starts with a vowel, you also use a word set, but it's spelled C-E-T. These and those are both handled by the French plural word c'est. Demonstrative adjectives are always followed by a noun. In these four examples, the demonstrative adjective in the first one is followed by copain, in the second one followed by hôpital, in the third one followed by glace, and in the last one it is followed by cadeau. These were samples that were in the roman photo. In the first picture, she's asking how much does this watch cost. In the second one, she's saying, I have this gift for Stefan. Although the forms of ce can refer to a noun that is near or one that is far, the meaning will be clear from context. These are samples that you would translate into English just depending on the conversation that you're having. However, in French, they only look one way. To make it especially clear that you're referring to something near as opposed to something far, you add the suffix si or the suffix la to the noun following the demonstrative adjective. Ce couple by itself would be this couple, but if you especially wanted to point out that it was the one that was close, you add the si after it. For the close cookies, these biscuits, and then the si show that it's these biscuits as opposed to the ones that are farther away. The same thing goes for that guest, so that guest over there is kind of how you would translate that. And those parties over there is how you would do the last one. You can use si and la in the same sentence to contrast similar items. We'll have this ice cream, not that ice cream. So cette glace si as opposed to cette glace la. In the second sample, are you buying this cheese or that cheese? Ce fromage ci as opposed to ce fromage là. These were the practice for when we did the notes. If you have questions about why the answers came out the way they did, or if you have questions about anything in this note set, please see Madame. This is the end of the notes.